Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a speaker to your Samsung TV. It's quite simple, just turn on your Samsung TV. On the home page, navigate to the left side of the screen and select Settings. Then select All Settings. And here you are going to be able to set everything about your TV, but now obviously we are looking for the sound settings. Under the Sound tab, select the first option, which is going to be the sound output. And now here, based on the speaker that you want to connect, you can either go to connect it physically with a cable, with an optical receiver, or you can also connect it with Bluetooth as a Bluetooth speaker, and you can just select this and go to the Bluetooth speaker connections. This is where it's going to look for a Bluetooth speaker. It's very simple to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation. Bye bye.